Introducing the all-new Renault R17, a car designed to elevate every journey. At first glance, the R17's futuristic design catches your eye. Its sleek, aggressive profile is a marriage of modern aesthetics and cutting-edge engineering, crafted to make a lasting impression. The bold new front grille, coupled with the signature full LED lighting system, illuminates every road with confidence. This striking visual identity sets the tone for a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. Inside, the cabin immerses you in comfort and sophistication. Premium materials, ample space, and advanced ergonomics ensure every ride is as smooth as it is stylish. From the supple leather upholstery to the precision-crafted trim, every detail has been carefully considered to create an atmosphere of relaxed luxury. With a fully digital dashboard and a next-generation infotainment system, the R17 keeps you connected, whether you're on your daily commute or a weekend getaway. Seamlessly integrate your smartphone, access your favorite apps, and enjoy crystal-clear audio. The R17's technology is designed to make every drive more enjoyable. Customizable driving modes allow you to switch seamlessly between eco-friendly efficiency and thrilling performance. The R17 adapts to your mood and the road ahead, ensuring you're always in control. Whether you're navigating congested city streets or carving through winding country roads, the R17's responsive handling and precision steering deliver a driving experience that's both engaging and intuitive. Powered by Renault's latest hybrid technology, the R17 delivers unmatched fuel efficiency without compromising on power. Accelerate with confidence, knowing you're driving a cleaner, greener vehicle that's better for the planet and your wallet. Whether you're weaving through the urban jungle or cruising on the open highway, the R17's agile handling and intelligent driver assist systems keep you in control, no matter the conditions. Advanced safety features, such as adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning, work in harmony to protect you and your passengers. More than just a car, the 2025 Renault R17 is an experience. It's not just about getting from A to B, it's about enjoying every moment in between. The R17 is designed to awaken your senses, to stir your emotions, and to leave a lasting impression. Imagine the thrill of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just seconds, feeling the rush of adrenaline as the R17's advanced transmission seamlessly shifts gears. Imagine the serenity of cruising on the highway, the R17's advanced noise cancellation and comfort features creating a tranquil oasis on wheels. The 2025 Renault R17 is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a statement, a declaration of your commitment to innovation, to style, and to the pursuit of driving excellence. It's a reflection of your personality, your values, and your passion for life.